What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is not a product review, it's my year update. It's my normal weekly update that I do on Mondays. This is week 15 or day 105. Nothing's really changed other than the fact that I've trimmed my my mustache. I kept it, it kept going over. It was like going to my bottom lip, so I had to trim it up because it was bad. It was real bad. Like I was eating, every time I ate something, I was eating hair and the food, and I was getting split ends too because I kept nibbling at the mustache, so I had to shape it up. So I trimmed this up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I had to do it. I know I told myself that I wasn't going to really trim anything for as long as I could, and I did that. So I kind of had to do something about it. And also been kind of like trimming the split ends out my beard, and also with the knots in my beard. You kind of want to handle that if you're growing your beard out. You want to make sure that you're trimming them split ends out. And that's pretty much it on the the update. Nothing's really changed. Supplementation, drinking more water, of course. Supplementation is going to change though. I bought them gummies, that nail hair and skin gummy that I got from Walgreens, and I'm going to probably end up trying those in the next couple of days once I run out of the original biotin I was using. Still taking the Garden of Life vitamin, and nothing's really changed other than the fact I trimmed this up just to get the hair out of my mouth because it was bad. So, and also I got beard meal today from Andis, and this is from the giveaway I won when Scuba, Dan C, Scott, and No BS Reviews, aka Matt, did the super chat where everybody was in the chat. Everybody was doing the giveaway. It was epic. It was awesome. And they're talking about doing one in the future. And I hope they do because it was just a fun night. And I won the giveaway from Scuba, and the giveaway was from Andis, And thank you, Scuba, first of all, for doing the giveaway and doing the super chat. It was awesome. I hope y'all do another one in the future. And what I won was the oil, which is the Classic Gentleman that I won. This is the scent I chose. It's a sandalwood scent, and it just smells straight like sandalwood. If you like woodsy scents like sandalwood, this is a scent for you. And with Andis, they have some of the thickest oils in the game. This would be good for like a nighttime. If you trying to keep your beard moisturized throughout the night, this is a good nighttime type oil. And I also got the beard balm, which is also the Classic Gentleman scent too. I scooped a little bit out earlier to show my fiance, and it's a good woodsy scent. And like I said, if you're into woodsy scents, this is for you. But let me rub it into my beard. I didn't take a whole lot out, and it's always a good day when you get beard meal. But even got my name on there, Sean P, which is pretty cool, aka Sean P. But that's pretty much it. Got beard meal today. Yeah, nothing's changed other than I shaped this up just to get that out my face. And my thing with like trimming, and if you're afraid to like trim your beard, don't be afraid to do that, because I'm all about the health of the beard more than just growing it out just to grow it. Because you could grow your beard out as long as you can, but if you got split ends and all kind of problems with the beard, then it doesn't really matter. So yeah, but that's pretty much it on my update. Nothing's really changed other than I just trimmed this. And I know I sound like a broken record, but I just shaped this up just to get this out of my mouth because I got tired of tasting barbecue sauce and syrup from like days on end. So I had to do something about it. And this time around, I'm probably going to end up trying to train my mustache to grow a certain way. That's where I went wrong. I wasn't training my mustache, because I have mustache wax, but I wasn't training my beard to grow, or not my beard, but my mustache to grow a certain way. So this time around, maybe I'll have it grow downward or grow to the side, brush it to the side. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to look at videos and learn how to train my mustache properly. And that's another thing too. If you're trying to grow like an epic mustache, start early when trying to train your mustache to grow a certain way, so that way it stays out your mouth, because once it starts growing downward and over your lip, then you're gonna have problems. So if you're trying to grow that epic mustache, start training it early, in its early stages. So with that, I'm gonna sum up this video. I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day and get through this day today, Monday. And please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.